Hello, Lake Havasu City. And welcome to 174 Smoketree Avenue. And this is Bobby and Julie Lewis with Remax by the Lake, the Lewis team, top producers in Havasu for over 20 years. And this is a fantastic property we have to show you today. Just down the street from Rotary Park and the beaches there, and just the other direction from Mainstreet and all the restaurants. You can literally walk either direction. And located on an enormous 0.42 acre lot. This is one of the original homes in Havasu. And wait till you see inside. Meticulously manicured landscaping as you walk up to the door, and welcome. The home is over 2,400 square feet, originally built in 1967. Out back is a paradise, as you can see, and stick with us till the end because it's just absolutely beautiful and tremendous back there. I'll show it to you last. Modern kitchen with gas cooking, spacious granite counters, and here we'll walk into a large pantry, and as we turn around you'll see the laundries there conveniently located off the kitchen as well. And the folks that owned this home or own it currently have remodeled and upgraded every turn you walk through the home. And everything was done to keep the house authentic with how the original feel was, but also upgraded. Windows were done. Lots of redwood trim added on to go with the original feel of the home. New air conditioning. They've added insulation in the attics. This fourth bedroom or office up front, they have an extra mini split in here if you wanted just to cool this room down. It is 4 bedrooms. As we'll come in here and we'll look at what I've listed as guest bedroom 2. Crown molding throughout, as you'll see. That was a ceiling fan. They had bunk beds in this room, so they had the blades off the ceiling fan in there. Continue down the hallway. And this is the hall bathroom. Full bath there with a shower tub, more crown molding, and really nice tile work. And the home does have 3 bathrooms, or 2.5. In one of the garages there is a half bath. We'll be looking at that in a moment. This here is currently configured as the master bedroom. head back here. This could be bedroom 4, or call it guest bedroom 2, or den. Nice closets there. Has a great look at that backyard. I'd have to look at the other side of that, but you could also possibly put some French doors there as well and walk out to the pool area. Now, what this house is all about is garage space. This is just the first garage. This is 4-car wide, almost 30 feet deep. Nice LED lighting, very bright. And it has a Train mini split air conditioning system as well. Gorgeous epoxy type floors. There's that Train mini split. And here's the half bath. And later you'll see just opposite of this garage, there's still more RV parking out there, or you could even add more garage if you'd like. We will be looking at the RV garage here in a moment as well on the other side of the house. And that's a little peek of that backyard. It's one of my favorite backyards I've actually been in Havasu. I like it a lot. I think you will too. We'll walk back through the dining and living area here. The owners also have an interesting idea too of how you could make a more grand master bedroom. That if you were interested in this house, I could fill you in on that. And this is a just enormous family room. I envision if somebody turned that into like an Airbnb or a rental, you could put a pool table in there and that could be the game room and still have 4 bedrooms. The landscaping makes me feel like I'm in Sedona walking around here. And this is that RV garage. Air conditioned as well with a mini split, and it does have 2 virtually brand new evaporative coolers as well, in addition to the mini split. Epoxy floors here as well. And it's about a 12.5-foot high door. And it's almost double wide. I believe it's almost 19 feet wide or so. So it's a really good size RV garage. And this door here peeks out front, and just a reminder of the location where we're at on Smoketree and Ash, just down that block. I mean, you literally can walk right down there or take your bike to Rotary in the lake, or go the other way and walk up to Mainstreet. So the location is incredible for convenience. It's kind of like a neat, almost gun safe or something. That's a solid core door and dead bolted. We actually didn't have the key for that for a bit, and it is impossible to get in there. There's a mini split you can see up on the wall, and that's more interesting parts of this house. There's an artist loft up here at the back, and we'll walk up there and show you. You could use it for a lot of different ideas. As you can see walking up, this is added, and the owner went to great lengths to make it authentic with the look of the house, and he did a fantastic job. And so this is your bonus artist loft, or whatever you can think of. We'll peek over back into the garage here. Have to talk to Julie about this, what she'd use it for. They do have these stairs going up. I haven't been up there yet, and that skylight opens. You could take the stairs out, or what I think they were thinking of adding a deck on top, and you'd have a fantastic view because you're close to the lake. It has a pretty neat view just from the top of the stairs here. There's a little small part here of town where the utilities are underground, and so unlike most of Havasu, There's no power poles right around this house. I love this little patio off the living area. And this swing, custom made for the house. Big heavy chain. Lots of character. Comfy. And now for this backyard I've been telling you about. Tons of pavers. Exquisite landscaping. Lots of bonus areas like this room, storage room, could be your pool room. Got power run into it, of course. And there's lots of cameras on the house as well. So I'm sure we can get you as a seller to figure out how to use all those. We meander around the back, just look at all the extras, this great shaded area, patio area. Everything done well. And this is that area next to that 4-car garage, all that RV parking there. It just goes on and on and on. There's so much about this house to love. Well, we'd love to show you this home or any other home in Havasu anytime. It is so fun being able to bring such a unique property to market here to show all of you. If you like these videos, we'd love to have you hit the like and subscribe button. Definitely comment and tell us what we could do better, or what you like about this house, or what you think of it. And we'll see you soon in our piece of paradise, Lake Havasu City. We hope you have a wonderful day.